Hi, I'm Rideshare Randy. Most drivers use some kind of phone or navigation device to get their passengers where they're going. Not me. I love not knowing where I'm going, how long it'll take to get there, and when we'll arrive. Makes it more interesting for me and my passengers. Care for a mint? Don't be Rideshare Randy. If you're running your business and you don't know exactly where you've been, where you're headed, or if you're even on track to get there, there's a better way, and we can help you get there. At Integrity Data Insights, we can help you see your business like never before. We build custom dashboards, automated reports, custom software, and websites to help your business grow. See real-time progress against your sales goals. Find patterns and trends to allow you to explore new opportunities. And be alerted if something doesn't look right. Contact me today to get started. Just go to my website, integritydi.com, click on the link, schedule a consultation. I'd be happy to chat with you and see how we can help. Thanks so much.